Your body feels stress even before your mind understands it. The tightened shoulder when you feel anxious, the knot in your stomach when you feel fear, the breath that becomes shallow even before your mind understands stress. All this that happens on your body level, even before you realize what's happening on your mind level, is a sign that there's a strong connection between mind and body. Hence, today we are going to understand how do you release the emotion, the thoughts stuck in your body and feel free from it. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here speaking from my clinic called Saukhyam. The mission of Saukhyam is well-being of all. So after naming the feeling, observing your thought, taking a pause before reacting, we will learn today to release the emotion that are not having outlet through your mind but are expressing through your body. So all those unprocessed thoughts which does not find its expression not only stays in your mind but also get stored in your body. It expresses itself through your body, but are you listening to those signs that those emotions are trying to express to your body? Are you actually sitting with them and listening? We usually do what? We try to remove the pain because we want to get back to our daily routine and our work, and we feel hurdled and stuck if we are not able to do so. So we try to immediately release it by taking some external medicine. I'm not saying medicines are not important. What I'm trying to say is that awareness is also a part of healing. Along with external medicines that we take, we need to be really sitting with our emotion, understanding our internal journey, and helping our mind to release those emotions from our body. So let's understand this in a more depth. So Louise Hay, who has written a book called Heal Your Life, has given a very beautiful way how every emotional pattern has an outlet through one of the parts of your body. So your shoulder when they pain, you are actually feeling burden and too much responsibility. You're feeling I have to do everything. When you have a back pain, you feel there is a lack of support or a financial fear, and you feel very unsupported in the life. When you have a thyroid, which is nowadays quite common, it's because there are a lot of unexpressed emotion. You feel I don't get to speak what I want to say. So all this, what you're not able to name your feeling, you're not able to observe the thought behind this feeling, gets expressed through your body. You suppress, you avoid, you deny. They're not going to go. They remain unprocessed and they get expressed through your body. So having an awareness of mind-body connection will help the journey of healing in a deeper way. Let's understand this by a very small example. Suppose if you are a person or in a daily life, we are trying to manage work, we are trying to manage family, we are trying to manage our finances, we are trying to manage the social responsibilities, so many things at a time. And we are not able to say no to anything. When we are not able to do so, at times we end up having a back pain or a shoulder pain or any illnesses which will express itself through the body. Now what is this happening? So when you're not able to say no, you are actually taking too much more than your capacity, trying to multitask, do everything, but internally you're feeling how much I have to do, how much I don't have anybody to really understand my feeling, how much in a single time frame I have to really work everything out. When this thought comes, there is a feeling of being not supported, there is a feeling of being doing so much at a single moment of time, there is a feeling of not being able to express in a manner which will help you. All this gets stuck. Those thoughts are not finding its expression. You're repressing them or you're expressing out in an anger, but the real thought is that I'm really not feeling supported, I really need a support. So those thoughts get stuck in the body. What is important is you sit with your own self, find and the part which is actually feeling pain, take a deep breath and release it, because you really need to know that the real feeling is that I'm not feeling supported or I cannot say no. So the awareness that I need to say no to some things which I cannot handle at this point of time, and I can say it in an effective way so that I don't hurt them as well as me. When you know that, or you try to delegate responsibility to a few other people who can be a part of this whole thing, when you know those life skills which will help you to say no, which will help you to delegate your responsibility, which will help you to be at peace and not uncomfortable when you say and do something new, that's when that awareness will help you to release those emotions from your body. I hope you understand this. This is very important, that awareness is also a great part of healing. So today I want you to take a pause, sit with your own self, whichever part of your body is paining. Ask, where am I feeling unsupported? Where am I feeling lack of love? Where am I feeling? So if you want to really understand which body part is speaking which emotion, then do read this book of Louise Hay and really ask that question to your own self. But see, like, is my emotion stuck in my jaw, so there's a jaw pain? Is my emotion stuck in my neck, so there's a stiffness? Is there emotion stuck in my back, that's a back pain? Whichever part of your body is paining, see where you need to release that tension, which is getting so much that you are not able to hold it anywhere, so it gets stuck in your body. So release that tension from because your muscles are not tense just like that. That stiffness, that tensed muscle is just not happening like that. There is a feeling of anxiety, fear, sadness, hurt. Along with that is a thought of not being able to do enough. Whatever the thought is at that point of time, you really need to sit with yourself, get aware of it, and do that deeper emotional healing. Healing is just not physical. It's mental, it's emotional, it's deep down there, releasing all that is stuck inside. And that's when you're really able to get connected to the real you, who you are. So take a deep breath and release that tension. That's when you'll feel free, not only of the pain, but within you. So today, do listen to your body and write in the comment section, did you do that exercise and how did you feel? Thank you for allowing me to add that value in your life. It really makes me feel free, as well as somebody who can add some contribution to this world. Thank you. See you soon.